It's working now. So, alright. Hello, everybody, and welcome to the full revisitation of Windows XP. To let you guys know, Windows XP was back in 2001, Windows XP came into an existence. This, personally, is one of my first ever Windows operating systems that I remember. When I was really young, like I'm talking about the 9, 10, 11 range, we could, for the people that are watching this, if you wanna me to revisit old operating systems, maybe some Mac operating systems, some Linux operating systems, or maybe like Ubuntu or something, like visit those that I haven't visited before. Maybe Windows 95, Windows 98, whatever. I'll do it. Let me see. Hold on 1 second. All right. So, let's explore Windows XP. Let's see here. Audio input capture. Let's see here. Making sure that we actually, is it getting the double screens? I'm wondering, because I have a dual. Am I getting double screens? No, I'm not. Okay. Okay, that's something. So the dual, so I'm not getting dual screens on this. So, let's without further ado. Oh gosh. How? Okay. Alright, here we go. Let's turn on this Windows XP virtual machine, and shortly I'm going to change. Oh gosh, I'm gonna change this. Yes. Hold on. This is okay. Trying to fix this here. Alright. Yeah, that existing here. So, trying to frame this here. Hold on, give me a second. The window capture should be. Okay, there we go. That's better. Let me get rid of this here and show you the whole shebang here as Windows XP from 2001 to ending entire support with, you know, the extensions back in like 4.5 years ago, 2019. It's lasted for 18 years. And you see, I want to see what I can explore fully. I'm revisiting all of this. Internet Explorer, my old friend, which now is dead because Internet Explorer has been replaced by Microsoft Edge. So yeah, let's look at these. So I'm gonna look at some of the stuff in here. Let's first look at all the programs here. All these programs. So we got the accessories, accessibility. Got accessibility wizard. Let's let me go this for one by one. Accessibility wizard. Okay. This looks like the It looks like the accessibility wizard. Clicker used the arrows keys to select the smallest text you can read. Okay. I see. Eh. See, that's the accessibility wizard, I guess. And then now we got, what's next? The magnifier. It's pretty self-explanatory. Apparently zooms in on these this stuff here for the people. You know what? Let me zoom in. Hold on. Let me pull this up. Hold on. Hold on. And okay, it's not gonna work. Alright, so that's the magnifier. Let's do this. So I can put the magnifier up to 9. Let me see how big. Oh my god, that's like thin a lot of pixels. Let's do 1. Oh. Let's do 5. A little too close, so 2. Let me turn off magnification. Let's close this. Next in the accessories and accessibility is the narrator.
Foreground window. Microsoft Narrator. OK. Push button to press. Use space bar. Microsoft Narrator. Dialogue. Narrator is a text-to-speech program that can help people with low vision set up their own computers or use other people's computers. Narrator might not perform well with some programs and only speaks in English. Most users with visual impairments will need a screen reader with higher functionality for daily use.
This is text-to-speech.
For a list of Windows-based screen readers, see the Microsoft website.
It's the text-to-speech
To add narrator, repeat
voices.
this or any text, press Ctrl plus Shift plus SP to disable. Do not foreground window. Narrator. Help. Push foreground window.
This is the voice. Can change the speed.
9 was time invisible. 8 was time. 1 9 list volume combo bar.
I can do volume. Let's see how.
9 list 1 list pitch combo bar.
Let me do the pitch, the high pitch.
9 list item invisible. 1 list item invisible. 2 list item. 3 list item. 4 list item. 5
Alright.
Foreground window. Narrator. Foreground window.
Alright, so this might be boring to some, but it's just the on-screen keyboard, which is pretty. I've never seen this before, actually. There may be an on-screen keyboard on some of your iPhones, on some of your mobile devices. Apparently, this is the little application that can provide a singular keyboard. I want to try this and see if I can go on so-called Internet Explorer and see if we can use that. But we'll see. Need to close that. Next, in the accessories and accessibility is the utility manager. It cannot manage programs. Okay.
Foreground window. Microsoft foreground window.
Blah blah blah. Magnifier's not running. Narrator's not running. It's not. So it just checks the. It just checks the stuff, if it's running or not. That's what the utility manager mainly is. It just checks if stuff is running. Next is the communications, the hyper terminal. I'm just exploring the telnet program. We recommend that you make hyperterminal your default telnet program. Do you want to do this? I'm gonna say no because I feel that is not my I don't know what I think hyperterminal. I think it's regarding internet, dial-up internet, but I don't know if what it happens, but I'll try. I'll see. Oh, okay. So location information. I'm gonna go pulse dialing, tone dialing. This is literally dial-up internet. So, no, I don't need to enter an area code. And I don't want to. I'm not gonna do it in the zip code. So, you don't need to. Blah blah blah. Yeah, it's hyperterminal. This is a new connection. You can establish a connection. Well, hyperterminal. What's next in the accessibility? No, the entertain. Wait. Alright, hold on. I think hyperterminal was in the entertainment. Let's do the sound recorder. So the little sound recorder. Guess you record sounds with it. I guess I'll test this. E. Not enough memory available to complete. Okay. E. Still works. It still works, so... no. Okay, so... The sound recorder just kind of still will work. Despite that, the volume control, obviously, I'm not gonna really mess with this. You already know what the volume control. The Windows Media Player. This, I think there's a legacy version nowadays in here. There's a couple stuff here. I'm gonna stop that right there before it copyrights me, or if it is even possible to get copyrighted by just in the in computer music. That's just on the computer itself, not really on YouTube, but it's streamed on YouTube. So system tools. Let's do just kind of exploring this. If it's seemed boring to you, if you're not interested, you can click off the stream. If you're not, and you're sticking with me, I appreciate you. Backup. This is just backup devices. It's the backup wizard. To back up the devices, which is like storage. Floppies. It will save your backup with a floppy disk. So if people are asking how was I able to get a Windows XP running, I had to look up a activation key online to be able to get this to work. Okay, the character map just shows all the characters and different fonts. I'm not really gonna dig through that because that would seem really unimplying, not unappealing. Disk cleanup, which just cleans up the disk, cleans up the. This is the disk defragmenter, which just cuts it down. Like cuts the space in like half, like this, like this. That is how much space a defragmenter just cuts it in half, just puts it in pieces. That's what defragmenting means in the computer sense. Files and setting transfer wizard, which will just, I guess would be like USBs and kind of different computers. You could transfer the computers, I guess, before apparently in Windows XP it does have a term as a control panel, but it doesn't have I think it might have the Microsoft the terminal, But I don't know. The scheduled tasks, you can add any scheduled tasks. So we'll do in the games in a second. We'll do all this in a second. Next is the security center. Just a little preview here. Just gonna, if you want to pause it and kind of look at this stuff here, you can. Next is system information. Is just about the system itself, obviously. The different types of things here that is listed here. I apologize for being really redundant with my English, but yeah, sometimes if you have a, sometimes I repeat stuff, so something you're gonna have to manage with. So like with the system manufacturer, the system model, which is like how the VirtualBox 86, that's the type of CPU, I believe. The BIOS version is if for the people that do not know what a BIOS is basically a thing that helps, is basically in the process of turning on the computer. The BIOS is just looking for like the devices on the computer, like the bootloader that starts up the computer, and the operating system within itself that would be within the BIOS. There's also a BIOS menu that you can access, but yeah, there's all this. I'm not gonna get into the nitty gritty, but it's the simplified version. I may be somewhat wrong, but yeah, system restore, yeah, pretty self-explanatory. Next is the, okay, a lot of stuff here. Oh, Paint. Paint is Microsoft Paint. A lot of people, some people hate it, some people like it. Not really much of a fan of Microsoft Paint, even though I kind of like dabbled on it, like with Microsoft Windows Vista, I think. Kind of was just doing stuff on Paint, kind of doodling. So there's a couple of these games that you see here: Free Cell, Hearts, Internet Backgammon, Internet Checkers, Internet Heart, Internet Reversey, which I don't know what that is, Internet Spades, Internet Minesweeper, Pinball, Solitaire, and Spider Solitaire. I'm gonna play one of those games in a second. So all of this, remote assistance, Windows Messenger, which I think it's not at the time, but AOL, I think there was one of these messenger things, and not Windows Messenger, but it's called AOL Messenger. So it's not all there. It's not all of it. It's, what am I saying? I'm messing up my words. Windows Messenger and AOL, those are the same thing. Windows Messenger, AOL Instant Messenger, those are the same, save the same purpose, but Windows Messenger I guess comes on default, but I think you need to manually download it on the computer. I don't know if people still use AOL Instant Messenger, but I do remember it's like real briefly. And then Windows Movie Maker, and it's like a real old school Windows Movie Maker. I never really touched Windows Movie Maker until like Windows 8. What's the Windows catalog? About to view over a secure connection. Alright. I'm not gonna reveal anything here. Really trying to look here. Gonna play some games in a second. I'm gonna Windows Explorer, which is the file system, the file system on here. Communications, hyperterminal, wireless network setup, no connection, network setup, network connections, hyperterminal. Wait, 2 hyperterminals. Wait a second. I think it's been moved for some reason. There is a little verbal tour, a visual tour of Windows XP. I could do that, but not really. It's not entirely of the essence, but I've done it a couple times. It's pretty lit. Dreddy, ain't nothing wrong with you with the way you talk. Before Gmail, Yahoo, it was AOL. I appreciate you, Dreddy. So yeah, AOL. Yeah, Yahoo as Yahoo. I think people still use Yahoo as an email. Hotmail. I used to use Hotmail as my email, but it's really I think been bought out or just plummeted using like Gmail. So let's see what else here. Control panel. It's all this. Can add all this. Performance and maintenance. I can check that real quick. Pick a task. See basic. Adjust visual effects. Free up. Let's do adjust visual effects. There's a little performance. Alright. I'm gonna do some games in a second. This is the tour.
Welcome to Windows XP from Microsoft, the new version of Windows that brings your PC to life. Experience the best. Experience Windows XP.
I'll let this play out a bit.
Best for business. Windows XP Professional shines as a business operating system. Get more work done faster, easier, anytime, anywhere. Safe and easy personal computing. Thanks to Windows XP, personal computing just got a whole lot easier and more fun. Unlock the world of digital media. Windows XP is your ticket to exciting digital media at home and on the internet. The connected home and office. Get connected. Windows XP makes it easy to share and link computers. See for yourself how easy Windows XP is to use. Take this brief tour. To begin the tour, click any selection.
I'm not going to really go into that. I'm going to play some of these games. I'll try Free Cell and see what that is. Alright. Oh. Let's see. That move is not allowed. Hold on 1 second. Need to look at the how to use. No, not help. Would use. Okay, contents. Move all the cards to the home cells using the free cells as placeholders. To win, make 4 stacks of cards on the home cells, 1 for each suit. Oh yeah. Free cell is basically like solitaire. 4. Oh wait, never mind. That's the blue. That's okay. Guess getting that up there. Follows my mouse for some reason. Alright. So I feel like I think you need to do it by, let me restart the game actually. Restart. We'll start, I think it starts with the king and then the queen. Okay, so the king. Okay, there's the jack. Let's see. Oh, there's an ace on the other side. Okay. Okay, so 2 is right there. Do Q. Huh. 4. Oh. Huh. Seems. Let me restart and see if I can. Okay, so I can need to do king and then a jack. If I put a jack down, it says it's gonna be an ace. Let me do this. I think a jack after that, I think is 10. I'm gonna do ace. Get 2, so 6. Never really played this game before, so is there anything? 4 stacks of cards on the home cells, 1 for each suit, stacked in an order of rank. So goes from the lowest to highest. So 4. 5. Let's see. Try this. 10. Lowest to highest, so I need to. I don't know how am I supposed to do that. 5. Okay, so there's a queen. Let's do 2. So 6. Huh? Wait a second. That's not allowed? This game's kind of getting a little confusing to me. It's a little too confusing. Hearts. Can I skip the name part? No, I cannot. Let's see here. Oh, okay, so if I just, okay, so if I put that, I think I need to put that down somewhere. It looks like, alright. Is it supposed to be matching it up? Oh, pass left. Oh, I see. So let me do my smallest pass left. Okay, so there's a king, a black king, cloves king, king of cloves, two of cloves, and an ace. I can do a 3. Wait. Play a club. Ace. The card. Let's do 3. The hearts must not be broken. Choose another. 5. Oh. Okay. 3. 6. 8. 10. 7. 2, 4, 6. Jack. Oh. Okay, let's do queen. So it's basically like not Uno, but something similar to that. On the ball game of that. I guess 8. Okay. The king there. 7. The 10. Oh. Okay, I only have 1. That's fine. Guess I kind of played that game a little bit. Internet backgammon. Internet game server. Okay. I highly doubt I'm gonna get anyone because this Windows operating system might be not as good with on the internet because there's no more people on it. If people still play internet backgammon, then I would be surprised. Okay, it's not that no one's kind of really doing anything. So internet backgammon, internet checkers. I guess the internet was Reversi. Okay, so can I actually play offline? No. I'll do Minesweeper, the infamous game Minesweeper. Okay, 2. Oh, okay. This one. I'm trying to look here. Right. Oh. Ah. I got the mine. Okay. New game. This. Oh. Good. So we're making out an island here. Let's say this here. Oh. Hey, here. Here. Oh, apparently got a mine. Apparently got a mine over there. Huh. Ooh, okay. This. This. Oh, got it too. One more. This. This. Over there. Ooh, okay. Oh, okay. That was a little bit of Minesweeper. Next is pinball. 3D pinball. Okay. There you go. Wait. Okay. And hold on. Do I need? Hold on. I need to tilt. How can I tilt? How can I use this here? Doesn't say really how to. Alright, deploy, and I can't tilt for some reason. I'm trying to see what the controls are with this. Alright. I'll play one more time. I don't think I had enough of pinball. Next is solitaire, which I know quite a bit about. So ace, and then a 2. No, wait. 2 aces. We'll do. You okay? Sorry, that was my dog. Well, my brother's dog. My older brother kind of passed away, so I'm kind of taking care of her. Long story, but yeah. Alright, let's do another ace. There's 2 aces there. Now we need 2. Okay. 3. And then where's a 3? Is there a 3? No. Alright, 8. And then there's a 9. Alright, let's do number 2 right here. Right here. There's a 3. Okay. 8. Let's try number 7. 8. Let me just see here. Six. Bumpers and Z, and oh, good to know, Patrick Star. For I'll try that after Spider Solitaire. Hmm. Yeah. I think it's Spider Solitaire. Okay. Then a 10. 2 aces. That's this. And why doesn't it go there? Where's number 4? Let's see. Nine, 8, where's, okay, 7. It's no 4. There we go. 7,500, 750. It's not bad. I don't know what the normal score is when it comes to pinball, but I would say I wouldn't do that bad. I didn't do that bad myself. Now let me explore Internet Explorer. Let me just type like Google into the search bar. It is kind of up, even in a virtual machine, Google is kind of up to date. But if you go see, it's a connection because we do Google Play. Can't connect to anything, but if I do like a Google search, like let me type like yahoo.com. Still no. Bing.com. It existed back then. It does not seem that Bing is popping up. How about Wikipedia? Secure locations. Nope. I mean, it's specific. I guess a virtual machine is really limited what you can do. Maybe if I like type, I don't know, iCarly into the search bar. Like the results, I mean, pop up pretty much the same. So, but it does look really, really different compared to a Windows 11 nowadays. But I need to look at some different websites that existed back in the day, which I think I can only do with the Wayback Machine. I'm trying to think what I can search for that can possibly work on this virtual machine. What's a good website? What's a good website? Let's do you know what? Since I'm in that stuff here, I'm in that range, like we do nickjr.com. Apparently, I guess not. It's not called that. I guess it's unavailable. Technical difficulties. Let's see. What if I go back? What if I just like type? What if I get click up the Wikipedia page? It doesn't work. So it's really limited what this can do. Depends on how I set it up. Can I look at the images? Oh yes, I can. Pretty kind of solid here. The videos. What's that gonna pop up? Oh, IMDb, YouTube, like talking about the reunion. The news. I mean, there's a lot of stuff here. Hmm. Huh. All this is really interesting. Let's see. Let me go to Windows Explorer and see what is actually on here. My music, sample music. Beethoven's Ninth Symphony. My videos. Not really anything. My pictures, there's some sample pictures. Yeah. Pretty much not really anything. My computer. It's a floppy. Local disk. The whole shebang here. Yeah. I guess, so I can adjust the time. Task Manager, which apparently existed back then. Show the desktop properties. I guess, oh gosh, that's the date and time properties. That's the date and time. Let me look at the email. Outlook Express. Never really done that. Never really looked at this. Let's see. Huh. You go to search. It's pretty standard stuff here. There's a UELA, which stands for the End User Licensing Agreement. So read me in the setup. Yeah. Hidden files. Okay, I feel like that's gonna be it for the stream. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.